Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install Claude Code in VS Code. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open your VS Code. After that, on the left side you will see this extensions option. So you need to click on extensions and here you need to search for Claude Code. And once you search for Claude Code, you will see this option Claude Code for VS Code, and there you can see it is made by anthropic. So you need to click here, then you will see this install button. Just click on install and it will take a few seconds to install Claude Code. After that, you can just close this and here you can see we have the Claude Code icon over here. So it means Claude Code is properly installed in VS Code. So right now we are going to click on this file option and let's go and first open a folder. So let me just click here file, then click here open folder. So I'm going to show you how you can build a project, simple project using Claude Code. So I'll just create a folder over here and let's say the folder name will be Claude-VS. You can name the folder anything you want. So I'm going to select this folder, then click here select folder. So this folder will open over here. So right now here at the top you will see this arrow option over here. So you need to click on this arrow next to this chat option and you need to click here open chat. And here you can see we have this three dot. So here you can see Claude Code. So we are going to click here Claude Code and it will open the Claude Code interface over here. So right now you can build a simple website using Claude Code for free, but if you want to make something bigger, then you may need to log into your subscribe Claude Code account. So right now I'm just going to say over here /login and here you can see we have the login option. So I'm going to click here login and it will show you three options to login. So I'm going to choose the first option Claude AI subscription. So click here. So what you need to do is that you need to open this link in your browser. So what you can do is that you can just directly click here open, or you can also copy the link and paste it in the browser. So if you click open, it will open in Microsoft Edge, but I want to open it in Google Chrome. So I'll just copy this. Then I'll go to my Google Chrome and here I'm going to paste the link over here and press enter. After that, what you need to do is that you need to log in with your Claude Code account, basically your Gmail address. But here I already logged into Claude Code, that is why it is directly showing me this option authorize. So I'm just going to click here authorize and there you can see it is showing me a message build something great. So right now if we just go back to our VS Code, we are logged in right now. Okay. So right now we are logged in. So let's go and build a simple project using Claude. But before that, let me just show you a few things. There you can see. So if you want, you can choose different model. For example, we can switch model between Sonnet, Fable, Opus and Haiku. So for normal coding, Sonnet is enough. And you can also use Fable, but it takes a lot of credit. And if you have something complex, then you can use Opus. And for fastest answer you can use Haiku, but normally I prefer Sonnet. And here there is a multiple version, like you can use high, low effort, medium, high, extra high, max and ultra max. Okay, but normally I think medium is more than enough. I think medium will save a lot of credit and does your work properly. Okay. So right now if you want, you can also upload any file from your computer, like you can upload an image and tell Claude Code that design me a similar website like this. So I'm just going to give a simple prompt over here. I'll just say over here make me a beautiful professional admin panel design for CRM using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And I'm going to and here you can see it is showing us auto option. So if you want, you can generate a plan. Let me just generate a plan using Claude Code. Let me just show you. So if I just click on this, first of all, Claude Code will generate a plan. But if you set it to auto, then it will automatically give you answer, make plan or write code depending on your question. So Claude Code will ask you some question right now. So you just need to answer those questions. So I'll just select all of them, then go to the next one, which is style. So I'll just choose the dark and light toggle. Yes, recommended. Submit answer. Based on your answer, it will now generate a plan. And there you can see it generate a plan over here. So we are going to say click choose this option, yes, auto accept. And there you can see it's selected edit automatically. So you should select this option edit automatically. But one thing, you should make sure that do not choose manual, because if you choose manual, then you have to give a lot of permission. So it will be a lot of hassle. But the best option would be if you choose this option auto. But the best option would be if you choose this auto option, so it will safely approve all the necessary permission, and if there is some risky approval, then it will ask for your approval. Okay, so there you can see it already built the dashboard, and it is quite fast, and it already launched the project over here, as you can see, and the design is solid. So yeah, this is how you can install Cloud Code in VS Code.